Hey guys, how's it going? I have some questions here. So I have a first-person controller, and then I have a car prefab, and I'm wondering how I can set up a button to switch from the player controller to the car kit controller. Another question I have, in the demo scene here, the car has a really nice camera setup on it. I'll show you here. You see this camera is really nice, and you can switch. But when I bring it into my game there, when I set up a new scene and I drag in the prefab, there was no camera. The camera stayed still, so I basically created a camera and then dragged it under the car, and that will help me to move the camera, but I don't have that nice camera control. So just wondering if anybody out there in Unity world can help me, what I need to be looking for in terms of this preset to figure out how to get this camera here, virtual camera, the car camera here, where to find that in the assets. I was looking and I couldn't. Is this it? Cam target, total noob, and then also how to switch over from the player to the other car controller. If you guys could help me out, I'd be really appreciative. Thanks so much.